Well, today we have quite a special lighter, not only because it's a table one, because this used to be from my grandfather, and today is from my cousin. So I'm servicing for him. Well, like all line ones, first we have to remove the flint spark, and after this mechanism, the same as in a random pocket line one. Okay, pull and push down. After we have to remove the nozzle, the same as in the pocket line one. It's a bit thicker and a bit bigger, but it's the same. Really, the big difference with the pocket line one comes in the inside and also the lid, because the hinge of the lid goes by the inside. I don't know if you will be able to see that here you cannot see any hinge for the lid. Well, also this lighter, I've noticed that the lid is quite unaligned. So although I don't like to realign the lid because it can be a bit risky, taking in account it's my cousin's lighter, I will do it. Well, we remove the parts to clean in the ultrasound wash. Okay. And now here is the difference. As you can see, the bar is screwed to the body of the lighter. And the bar is attached to the cap where the rubber seal is. So that is basically the biggest difference. Here we have the part with the old rubber seal that we are going to replace, and here we must clean the inside of the lighter, lubricate. Well, I'm going to do it now to try to realign a little bit the lid. Okay, you have to be very careful, very gentle. Okay, it looks quite good. I'm going to do a little bit this side, but very gently. You have to be very gentle. Okay, now I like it more. Yep. We're also going to remove although that in this, no, because in this model it's also stock, the plate, so I will clean it manually and that's it. Well, I will make another video once it's cleaned and lubricate all the parts.